Is your calendar cluttered with events you have already declined? Let's clean it up with one simple setting. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap Settings icon. Now enable Hide Decline Events. When this option is on, all events you have declined will no longer show up on your calendar view, making your schedule cleaner and easier to read. Given to the function, this is super helpful if you get invited to a lot of meetings or events but don't attend all of them. So instead of seeing every decline meeting clutter your calendar, you only keep the event that matter. And that's it. A quick way to keep your calendar focused only on the event you actually plan to attend. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.